Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's lesson we're going to talk about or discuss about two very important concepts that you hear a lot in the trading world and which play a major role in our strategy as a whole. And they are break of structure for a short, BOS, and change of character for short, CHoCH. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the support always. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification in order not to miss the upcoming content that will be released. So, what is break of structure and what is change of character? Now, first, this might sound so confusing and complicated, but it's not that complicated anyway, right? It's also a matter of what? Training your eyes to recognize was these simple patterns in the market. Now, we're going to use this simple example laid before you here to differentiate between break of structure and change of character. What is break of structure? Break of structure is simply when, or in a simple term, when price break above what? The existing trend and close above with a candle. Please take note of that. When price break above the existing trend and close a candle, we call this place as what? BOS. This is what? Break of structure. BOS. And you can see when price break above the existing trend, here is also what? BOS, or break of structure. And you can see as well, let me say, as price break above this particular level here, this particular zone is also called break of structure. Now, when we arrive here, you can see that this price slightly break above and close above. There is a condition for a valid break of structure in our own community, and that is price must break above the previous structure and close at least with a candle, a body close of a candle that validates that the structure has actually what? Broken. Look at this simple example here. When we arrive here, from this particular zone here, price come break below the major low here. You can see that this low is lower than this low, and this low is lower than this low. Price never validate this low, and it never validate this low. But when we come to this particular zone here, look at what happened. Price break below the major low. It is this low here we consider as what? CHoCH, or change of character. Why? Because price break below the major low, and it seems the trend is about to change. Now, here comes the question. Kindly answer me in the comment section before I give my opinion about it. Does it mean that when there is a change of character, the trend has actually changed? I'm waiting for your answer. Kindly type in before I give my honest review. Now, let's dive into it. Sometimes when price break or change character in this format, our expectation on the price is for it to continue in that particular direction. But on some cases, or on some case scenario, price after breaking or after having a change of character goes to break above what the structural highs, which consider here as a valid break of structure, and at the same time price return back to break the low again, which is what? Which here also is a change of character. When price begin to behave like this on the chart, the best option is to leave the chart for that particular moment, that particular day or week. Reason being, the direction of this particular price action, it is undetermined. So, the difference between break of structure and change of character. So, on the other hand, change of character is simply when price change trend, change from trending up into what? Trending down. And we use this majorly to determine direction. At the same time, we use CHoCH as our entry model. So please get the difference between this breakout structure and change of character. All right. If you have any question that has to do with this, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do justice to them. This is what I want to show you today. And thank you for staying to the end. If you subscribe, if you are not yet subscribed, turn on the notification. And until next time, keep practicing. Peace out.